Hello, good morning. Nagising kami ng maaga dito sa hotel kasi ito si Bulinggit nagising ng maaga. Ewan ko kung saan kami ngayon pupunta. Kagabi, pagkatapos namin ng dinner, naglaro muna kami. May maliit kasing kasino dyan sa lobby. Naglaro-laro kami. Natalo. Tapos pag-uwi namin dito sa bahay, dito sa hotel, naglaro kami ng rami. Andito kami ngayon ni Kerry sa labas. Hindi siya kasing lamig kahapon, ay kagabi. Good morning! Bukas ng birthday ko. Ayan si Kuya. Breakfast. Ayan ang breakfast. Nag-fried rice ng adobo natural.
Kuya, kain!
Tapos si Ate Jo nagluluto ng poached egg. Ayan, para healthy. Tapos ang aming bossing ay naandyan. Hello, ready na kami. Ready to go na. Happy Maray ang birthday ko. Thank you, Manay.
Welcome. Tago pa. Ano tago?
Ayun pala, may date pa kami. Hello, time to go. Yan, nagsisearch si Ate Jo ng papasyalan namin before kami bumalik na Brisbane. Kasunod may puto. Bumaba muna kami rito sa harap mismo ng Hotel Millennium. Kasi meron daw market. Tingin-tingin kami kung ano mga nandyan sa market. Baga may mga parang siyang giata, parang garage sales. Ayan, titingnan namin.
Hope it never ends. Don't tell me that the good old days are over. We're too
Mga crochet ito. Tingnan mo to. $8.
Mami, ito. 95.
I wanna know, what are you waiting for? I wanna know just what you're waiting for. I'm waiting for, and you should know you're so beautiful. So let me know just what you're waiting for. I'm staring at my demons. No, I ain't looking back. Oh, what do I believe in? The past is in the past. Gonna steal away tomorrow. Pay back the love we borrowed. Oh, we'll hope it never ends. Don't tell me that the good old days are over. We're two hearts running wild. On and on, we'll move a little closer. We don't have to burn out in the fire. No, we don't have to burn out in the fire. I wanna know, what are you waiting for? I wanna know just what you're waiting for. I'm waiting for, and you should know you're so beautiful. So let me know just what you're waiting for. I think we started something, gonna tell the world again. Oh, you're so beautiful, I just can't hold it in. I think we started something, I hope it never ends. I hope I'm staring at my demons. No, I ain't looking back. Oh, what do I believe in? The past is in the past.
Yan, pauwi na kami. Tapos na kami mag-lunch. Nakapag-playground na ang mga bata.
Yung bakit na nagpunta.
Na-traffic kami. Almost an hour. May accident ata. Yan ang accident. Karambola talaga. Karambola. Ito yun, nandyan ang motor. Karambola. Ay, grabe ito. Grabe ang accident. Hello, August 13 ngayon, birthday ko. Sinundo ako ni Ate Jo. Magla-lunch date kami. I-date niya ako ng lunch. Before kami pupunta doon, ito nagpapakarwas muna siya. Kasi galing kami sa Millennium kahapon. Hindi nakapag-carwash kasi na-traffic kami dahil sa accident. Pauwi na kami ni Ate Jo. Paakyat kami dito sasakay kami sa train. ayun lang ang bahay ni na Ate Jo. Kaya dito sa train station, kung magte-train ka, mabilis lang. Kaya saka magka-car ka, maghanap ka pa ng parking.
Mahal.